Hey there, Notion newbies. Ever feel like your projects are all over the place? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving into Notion to show you how to quickly set up your very own project pipeline. We'll walk through creating a project, customizing all those cool properties like assigning team members, setting a budget, and adding important links. Plus, we'll even tweak your project view to make everything super clear. Get ready to organize your workflows like a pro. First, we're going to click on Add New to create a new page in Notion. This is where we'll set up our project database. Next, we'll select the Projects template. This handy starting point comes with a pre-built structure that we can tailor to our needs, saving us a bunch of setup time. Next, select the features you want to enable in your projects, such as file attachments, budget tracking, AI summaries, and more. With our project display set, let's click Continue to save what we've done and move on. In Notion, you can switch between different project views depending on what you need. Use by status to see projects grouped by their progress, all projects to view everything in one place, Gantt to track tasks on a timeline, and My Projects to focus only on what's assigned to you. Once you're happy with your property selections, just click Done to apply these changes to your projects. Now, to add a new project, we'll click on New Project under the Not Started column. Let's name this new project and add a In Progress project. Now let's open the Sample In Progress project to begin customizing its content. This is where we'll add specific details and structure for each project in our pipeline. Here you can provide an overview and key details for the task, like adding headings, I'm going to add some placeholder content and bulleted list below it. You can also explore tons of other content modules to enrich your project, including callouts, tables, dividers, images, videos, code blocks, file attachments, and more. Choose Image to open the uploader for adding pictures to your project page. From here, click on Upload File. This will open a dialog box where you can select an image from your computer to insert into your Notion page. This is the simplest way to add your own custom visuals. Now, let's add some to-do items to our project. This helps to track the actionable items in our project. I'm going to scroll back up on the page to adjust some other settings for our project pipeline. Finally, open the Style, Export, and More menu to check out extra customization options for your project. We can reorder the items by selecting Customize Layout, let's click on the pin icon next to the assignee and status properties to unpin them from the project heading. And add a new property to our project header. Choose Multi-Select so you can tag items with multiple categories, helping with detailed classification. Name this property QA Expert to assign quality assurance team members to specific tasks. Add new options here to include the names of your QA experts. Input possible choices. What if we unpin the new QA Expert property to tidy up the header and move it to the property group below the header? Okay, let's add another property too. Select URL as the property type to link directly to external resources or pages. Click the property, then enable Show Full URL so the whole URL will be visible. Let's unpin the URL from header 2. Click the three dots in the property group to open the property groups menu. And select Move to Page to add our property group into our project template as a section. We can also reposition the sections inside the project template as we wish. Click the 3 dots for the section you'd like to reposition, and click Move Up. Scroll back up the Settings panel to see your refreshed layout. Click on Apply to All Pages, so this template will be applied to all existing and future projects or tasks you add to this pipeline. Now we can fill in the properties for each project in the pipeline separately as needed. And that's a wrap on building your project pipeline in Notion. We've covered how to create projects, personalize properties like assignees, budgets, and URLs, and even adjust your project views. Now you're all set to efficiently manage and track your workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy Notioning.